Let's just go. I'll be vlogging that. And hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and today's vlog is gonna be all about my college. I'm gonna go to my college first day, offline mode of course. So yeah, let's just go. And obviously if you have not seen my previous video, go and see that, where I was shifting to Dehradun, and now all the videos that you see will be from Dehradun itself. So I hope you guys are liking it. I'm gonna go to college today. Gonna be my first day, so let's just go. It's morning time right now. Hi guys, so we are going to our college right now. The morning scenes in the college, just have a look at them. So this is my classroom. It's all empty, obviously, as you can just see. Hi guys, so I'm in my classroom right now. It's completely empty because we came so early. No one in the class. And yeah. Okay you guys, so I didn't vlog much during and before the college, but now I'm back, and guess what? I have a really exciting news to share with you guys. So I'm receiving a prize of merit because I stood first from my section. Tomorrow is the ceremony and my dad is gonna attend that, so I'll be vlogging that, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, we're very happy today. So today there was a felicitation ceremony in my college. So if you don't know, I'm doing my MBA from Dehradun Toon Business School, and today based on the merit there was award distribution. So from my section I stood first, and here I have the badge. So today there was a ceremony for this purpose, and my parents, like my dad, also attended it. He was here, and I was fortunate enough that the event was on 12th, otherwise he won't be able to attend it. And he was also there and he attended the ceremony, and I'll also insert the clips, and I have shot that, so I'll insert them also. Okay you guys, so let me just quickly break down the clips. So the first clip that you are going to see right now is the lamp lighting. So they called my dad on stage for lamp lighting. So this event had all the senior faculties, the chairman and management, everyone. So that happened. So this is the clip that you are going to see for lamp lighting. Then they just called my dad on the stage for the speech, and my dad was speaking on the stage for me, and it was really great watching him. And later on I even joined him on the stage, and it was so exciting, and the entire experience was just awesome. So I'm inserting the clip for the same. You can just watch it.
मेरा सपना था कि वो DBS में भी फर्स्ट रैंक पे आई, और आज उसने मेरा सपना साकार कर दिया। श्रेया पढ़ाई के अलावा उसका डिजिटल कैंपेनिंग का बिजनेस है, वो तो 3 साल से रन कर रही है। बहुत बड़ी एमएनसी के साथ उसका कैंपेनिंग चल रहा है। एमेजॉन है, लेस है, कैडबरीज है, फ्लिपकार्ट है, सबके साथ उसकी कैंपेनिंग किया है। पढ़ाई के साथ उसका बिजनेस कैंपेनिंग वाला, दोनों का अच्छी तरह से तालमेल भी बना सकती है। और मैं ये सभी चीज का श्रेय डीबीएस के फैकल्टी को भी देना चाहता हूँ कि उसकी गाइडेंस ये फर्स्ट रैंक था। भाषण थैंक यू once again all the people yes
Thank you, sir. Shay, would you like to join your father? तो सबके लिए तो कैंपेन किया, डीएस के लिए कब शुरू करोगे? हाँ? So how are you feeling today?
Very grateful, and especially when my father is here, it's cherry on the top. And thank you to all the classmates, also faculty members, honorable guests, everyone. And it is a moment of pride, especially because my parents are here. It's really great, and I've never imagined that I'll be here. As my father said, I have been securing highest since LKG, but I'm from pure science background. And first day of the orientation, I was like, I won't be able to make it because this business, and I have never ever been related to business in any terms. I was not even familiar with terminologies. So I was like, I'm not going to make this, and science was the best. I should not have switched it. And gradually I believed that let's go ahead. I've already taken the step. Now it's time to move forward. I can't look back. So I started, and today, basically on Wednesday, when I landed, I got this news that I've secured the first position, and I was really happy. I met sir, I met ma'am, and I was really grateful. My parents were even here. So all I want to say is just believe in yourself and move forward. Don't look back, and don't just think what you will be doing, how you will be doing. Just move forward and you'll make it. Believe in yourself.
Thank you, thank you, sir.
And then at last, I just received my prize. I was on the stage. Watch that clip.
I can see the proud father taking photographs.
Talking about the badge, I've got this badge, and also as I stood first, I've got a certificate of merit and a check. So I'm gonna insert pictures of this one also, and it was quite exciting and it was a happy day. So yeah, my parents were happy, I'm happy, and now it's Friday night, so tomorrow is weekend, so there's no college, and that's cherry on top. So now I'll see you guys later with some update. Hi guys, so it's 10th of March and it's 8:30, and we are going to have our dinner in our room itself, and I'm gonna show you that also. So we have lot of dishes today. I'm gonna show you what all things we have. We are going usually we go out for dinner, but आज we have all the food at our room itself, so it's gonna be fun. So this is what our dinner looks like. We have cheese sandwich, we have hakka noodles, we have aloo paratha, we have chutney, we have samosa, and it looks all yum. I'll just tell you how it is after we. So that was all about today's video. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Do let me know how you guys are loving the Dehradun vlogs.